Hi guys, how do you think what is the perfect age to start creating on game? 15, 20, 30 or maybe 40? The research reflects that the vast majority of game developers aged between 20 and 35. So let's look around and discover how old were some of famous developers when created their first games or well-known masterpieces. You may all know Gaben or Gabe Logan Newell, American computer programmer and co-founder of video game development and company Valve Corporation. So first game Half-Life was made in 1998 when Gabe was 36. I consider it the great start of career. Do you know anyone who never played Tetris in 90s or later? Even now we have so much interpretations of this puzzle game. Alexei Pajitnov developed it at the age of 28 in Russia 1984. And how about writing game at the age of 8? Yes, it's true. It had a text-based adventure appearance and the talent is Marcus Pearson, well known for Minecraft imaginative sandbox game. By the way, this brilliant one-man project was produced when Notch was 32. Not to mention Sid Meier, Canadian-American designer and producer of several strategy video games. His first work he made at the age of 28, and after that it took 9 years to release Civilization. John Romero created his first game when he was 15, but it wasn't published, and after 2 years came the second one and published at first time Scout Search. The most popular his work, like Dangerous Dave, Hexen, Doom and Quake, World saw a little bit later, but still in his 50s, he remains really active and continue contributing in game industry. Are you ready to hear about one more couple of talents? I am sure yes. Uncharted, The Last of Us and other entertaining products were published by Naughty Dog and founded by Andy Gavin and Jason Rubin in 1984 as independent developer. Those guys are really awesome, as they sold their first game, Math Jam, in 1985 when they were only 15. Can you imagine that? Me not, but I'm sure. Nowadays, there are much more intelligent and genius people, and maybe you are one of them. Remember, you are never too young, already too old to create something own, unique and special. You are just in the age to make your dream come true. And when you designed your first game or planning to, you are more than welcome to comment. Hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you!